Hey guys, it's Carl and Megan here, and we're going to show you our room today at the Holiday Inn downtown Seattle. We are staying for New Year's Eve. We're going to be going to the Seattle Center, and we're going to see a Heart concert, and then we're going to watch the fireworks for New Year's Eve. And we'll show that to you a little bit later, but right now I want to show you our room at the Holiday Inn downtown Seattle. We are staying in room 418, and it is a king suite. It's got a really nice seating area with a couch and a TV, and it has a little desk with a mirror, and then we've got a mini bar with a microwave, safe above the microwave, and then a refrigerator, of course, and a little sink. And the bedroom is separate from the seating area. And a nice closet. We've already gunked it up a little bit. And TV in the bedroom. And the window, but no view. Just looks like maybe another hotel across the street. Nice large king bed. And a very small bathroom. Guess I could turn the light on. So we will be recording a little bit of the fireworks show tonight after our concert, and maybe even going to a bar before the concert, and we'll probably show you a little bit of that too. So stay tuned, we'll get that on this video as well. So we made it to the Seattle Center on our way to have dinner, and I'll show you a little bit around. Space Needle up there. So that's where we're going a little bit later to see Heart. Handcrafted loveliness.